Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Cloudflare Turnstile from your sign-up UI detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Cloudflare Turnstile from your sign-up UI, you first need to access your website's codebase. Open the file where your sign-up UI is implemented. Locate the section of code that integrates Cloudflare Turnstile. This typically involves a script tag that loads the Turnstile JavaScript. Comment out or remove this script tag to disable the Turnstile functionality. Next, find the HTML elements associated with the Turnstile widget. These elements may include a div or a specific container class. Delete or comment out these elements from your sign-up form. Next, check any backend code that validates the Turnstile response. This could be part of your server-side validation logic. Remove any references to the Turnstile API in this code. It's important to also check for any error handling mechanisms related to Turnstile. Remove or modify these error handling sections accordingly. Once you've made all the necessary changes, save the file. Now, test your sign-up UI to ensure it functions correctly without Turnstile. Make sure to perform a full browser refresh to clear any cached script. Check for any console errors that might indicate missing resources. Finally, monitor user sign-up activity to ensure everything is working smoothly. Your sign-up UI is now successfully free from Cloudflare Turnstile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.